No excuses, no fancy gear, just your body and a decision to change. Today's session is not just about burning calories, it's about transforming your mindset, reactivating your motivation, and finally doing something for you. Stay with me, this journey could change everything. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Hey friends, I'm Lina, and welcome to Exercises with Lina Jones. Whether you're starting fresh or restarting after a break, this is the workout that will reconnect you to your power. This is not just a belly fat routine. This is a full body wake up. You're going to burn tone muscles and unlock inner energy, all with your own body weight. Today's session is 60 minutes of pure body weight magic, and I'll be with you every step of the way, coaching, motivating, and reminding you why you started. If you've been feeling stuck, tired, or like nothing works, this workout is your reset. Your body has everything it needs to burn fat and build strength. You just have to show up. We'll go through 10 powerful exercises split into 3 targeted phases. Core activation, cardio, fat burn, strength and burn challenge. No crunches, no equipment, just real movement, real effort, and real results. Before we begin, be kind to yourself. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to stay consistent. So grab your water, lay down your mat, and prepare to sweat. Let's make this the moment everything starts to change. Let's warm up. 1. Glute bridge march. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Press through your heels and lift your hips to the ceiling. Now march one knee at a time, keeping your hips high and stable. This exercise activates your glutes and your deep abdominal muscles. Belly fat often stems from a weak core and poor posture, and this move begins to reverse that. Keep your belly pulled and engage your glutes at the top and stay in control with every march. The slower the better. We're building the foundation for everything else: strength, stability, and body awareness. Your core is your center. Don't underestimate the power of this simple yet effective move. Keep going. Feel that stretch in your hip flexors as one leg lifts, the pressure in your glutes as you hold, and the tension through your belly as you fight for control. Take a deep breath and exhale. This is where your power lives, not in speed but in control. Keep pushing through it. Every second is a step closer to a leaner, more defined core. 2. Dead bug. Now lie on your back, arms extended above your chest, legs lifted and bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg until they're just above the floor. Return to center, then switch sides. The dead bug is an underrated powerhouse when it comes to core stability. It targets the transverse abdominis, the muscle that wraps around your midsection like a corset. It also teaches your brain and body to coordinate movements across the body, which improves functional movement and posture. This is not a flashy move, but it's deeply effective. With every slow rep, you're rewiring your core. Focus on precision. Exhale as you extend, inhale as you return. Keep your back flush against the mat, that's your checkpoint. If your lower back lifts, you're compromising. You are not rushing, you are reconnecting. This is mindful strength, and it's carving out definition, one controlled movement at a time. 3. Side lying oblique crunch. Lie on your right side with your legs slightly bent. Place your right hand on your hip and your left hand behind your head. Bring your left elbow toward your left hip as you crunch upward. Then switch sides. This exercise targets the obliques, those side of muscles that shape your waist. It's not just about appearance. Strong obliques support your spine, improve your posture, and tighten your core. Keep your crunch small but strong. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. Feel the muscles contract and release. You're not swinging, you're squeezing. Make it intentional. Switching to the other side? Good. It's important to balance both sides to maintain symmetry and prevent injury. This kind of detailed work sets the tone for real, lasting results. You're not just chasing sweat, you're chasing transformation. 4. High knees. Stand tall, core engaged, and begin to jog in place, lifting your knees as high as you can. Pump your arms, find your rhythm, and breathe through it. High knees are a full body burner. They elevate your heart rate fast while deeply engaging your core. This is belly fat's worst nightmare, a powerful combo of cardio and core. The key is intensity and form. Don't just go through the motions, lift those knees like you mean it. Each rep is a chance to push your limits and train your body to work more efficiently. Add speed gradually, stay light on your feet, and drive your elbows back. This isn't about being fast. It's about being deliberate. You should be breathing hard by now. That's your body telling you the fat-burning engine is active. Let the burn build. You're stronger than the discomfort. 5. Mountain climbers. Come down to a plank position. Drive your knees toward your chest, alternating quickly like you're sprinting horizontally. Mountain climbers build heat, shred fat, and challenge your entire body. Your abs stay engaged the whole time, your arms stabilize you, and your heart rate climbs. Stay light on your toes. Keep your hips low and back flat. If your form breaks, slow it down. It's not about speed, it's about consistency. You're doing more than burning fat, you're building endurance. If this is hard, that's good. That means it's working. Every knee drive is is sculpting your core and firing up fat-burning hormones. Stick with it. You're getting closer to the version of yourself you want to be. 6. Jumping jacks. Let's take your classic jumping jack up a notch. Jump your feet wide, arms up, and as you bring them down, clap your hands in front of your abs, creating tension in your core. This simple modification changes the game. You're turning a light aerobic move into a targeted core engagement tool. Every time your hands come together, think about tightening your abs as if bracing for a punch. The best part? It's scalable. You can speed it up for more intensity or slow it down and focus on form. Either way, you're torching calories, improving cardiovascular endurance, and strengthening your midsection all at once. Landing softly will protect your knees and ankles, so stay light on your feet. Your arms should move with control, not flail. Feel your heart pounding, your breath deepening, your energy climbing. This is fat burning in real time. Let your mind be in your movement. Every jump breaks down resistance, every clap draws you into focus. Push for 60 seconds. Then ask yourself, can I give even more? 7. Plank jack taps. Now get into your plank, either on your hands or forearms, but keep your core braced, your hips stable. Step or jump your feet out and back in, out and in. This is like a full body rhythm drill. Your arms support you, your shoulders stabilize you, and your core keeps everything aligned. With each tap or jump, your entire torso fires to keep from collapsing. Here's your checklist: back flat, core tight, neck neutral, hips low. If anything feels wobbly, slow it down. It's not about going fast, it's about going well. Want a challenge? Try adding a tempo: 2 taps fast, 2 taps slow, or hold each plank jack out for 2 seconds before stepping back in. These subtle tweaks turn this cardio core move into a sculpting session. Stay focused. You're halfway through the fat burn phase, and this is the moment your body decides quit or level up. Let's level up. 8. Squat to side crunch. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Perform a deep squat, keeping your chest up and your weight in your heels. As you rise, lift your right knee and twist your torso to touch your right knee with your left elbow. Return to center, squat again, and alternate sides. This movement fires up your quads, glutes, obliques, and core all in one. The squat brings power and leg strength, while the crunch adds a rotational burn to your waistline. The coordination between the two forces your body to work as one strong unit. Focus on depth in your squat. Push those hips back and keep your spine neutral. As you rise, use your exhale to power the crunch. Feel your side abs tighten as you connect your knee and elbow. It's not just about making contact, it's about contraction. This move mimics real-world motion, which improves your everyday strength and athleticism. Want more burn? Add a tempo, hold the squat for a beat, then explode into the crunch. Remember, muscle is built in the work, but fat is burned in the effort. 9. Hollow body hold. Lie flat on your back. Extend your arms overhead and your legs straight out. Now engage your core and lift your arms, shoulders, and legs a few inches off the ground. Your lower back stays glued to the floor. This is the gold standard for core strength. It recruits your entire abdominal wall, forcing it to stabilize under tension. It also teaches control, and control is everything when it comes to sculpting your midsection. Your goal is to hold this position for as long as you can with perfect form. If you need a modification, bend your knees or keep your arms by your sides. But don't quit. Every second you hold this shape, your belly fat has a little less power. To make it harder, try gently rocking back and forth. This adds movement without losing the tension. Think of it like being a boat on water, solid but not stiff. Breathe slowly. Embrace the shake. That's your body adapting. 10. Plank knee to elbow. Get into a strong high plank position. Wrists under shoulders, body in a straight line. Now drive your right knee toward your left elbow. Pause, return. Then left knee to right elbow. This is slow and deliberate. You're twisting through the core, firing up your obliques and maintaining full body tension. This move is deceptively simple but extremely powerful. The key is to control the motion. Don't rush. Feel the twist in your torso. Engage from your abs, not just your legs. You want every rep to feel like work. That's the difference between motion and transformation. Keep your back flat, your hips level. This is core control under load, and it burns for a reason. This is our final move, so give it everything. Drive, twist, stabilize. Finish strong and finish proud. Let's cool down. You've earned it. You just crushed 10 exercises that didn't need a single piece of equipment, just commitment. Think about that. You chose to show up, to fight through fatigue, and to give your body what it deserves: movement, strength, and respect. The scale may not shift today. The abs may still be hiding, but the change already happened in your mind, in your breath, in your effort. That's where real fat loss begins. If you're feeling proud, you should be. Drop a in the comments. Like this video if it helped you push. Subscribe for more powerful routines just like this. And remember, you're not alone. We're building strength together. See you in the next session. Until then, stay consistent, stay kind to yourself, and stay moving.